Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute by Carrington Malin for Wednesday, October 30th. Your 1-minute daily briefing brought to you by OnDemand, turbocharged AI product development and integration, now with fully customizable autonomous agents. Saudi Aramco is developing 300 to 350 use cases for AI, according to comments made by the company's CEO Amin Nasser during the opening day of the Future Investment Institute FII8. Nasser also emphasized that AI is strategic for Aramco, helping to reduce costs and also to reduce the group's carbon footprint. Meanwhile, Abu Dhabi's Advanced Technology Research Council, or ATRC, has equipped 22 schools with 𝘰𝘮𝘰𝘪𝘴, a wearable device designed to introduce coding and creativity to young users. The initiative targets 40 teachers and 1,000 students to learn the Python programming language for the academic year 2024-25. The ATRC also introduced a gamified coding activity called Hour of Code to 1,000 students in grades 6 to 12 in 10 public and private schools. And cybersecurity product and service provider Anxinsec has established its global headquarters in Abu Dhabi in collaboration with the Abu Dhabi Investment Office, ADIO. The company plans to make its new HQ the launchpad for its next phase of growth. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by OnDemand. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.